Today I'm going to show you how a Borros anchor works. This is an easy way to hydraulically anchor your subsidence monitoring equipment or other geophysical equipment at different levels in the subsurface. Hi, I'm John Leeman, the owner of Leeman Geophysical, and today I want to show you our Borros anchor. So this product we actually build completely in-house. We machine every component of it, and it's critical to our subsidence monitoring system. This is a system that lets you see how much the ground is subsiding or expanding in certain areas, which is really important for critical infrastructure, both from an academic research standpoint and from a practical engineering standpoint. This anchor is designed to be used in semi-firm soils or maybe even some loose unconsolidated gravels where you probably aren't going to have a good result cementing an anchor into the subsurface with grout or having an expansion anchor that only has a very narrow range. This is for less consolidated material. This goes down the borehole attached at the top with a 1/4 inch MPT pipe thread to a standpipe. Once it's down hole, that standpipe is connected to a hydraulic pump, and you add hydraulic pressure to this. You can use water, you can use vegetable oil, you can use any fluid that you would like as long as your pump can pressurize it. And a piston inside moves extending tines out from the end of the instrument here. So I have one that I've already prepared. This is what the anchor looks like after it's been deployed. We actually put this down a borehole, deployed it, and then dug it back up to see exactly how these tines deform and make sure that it's working as intended. So you can see as the tines get pushed out by the hydraulic piston, they're bent against this mandrel in the end, and they anchor themselves into the ground, kind of like a grappling hook. So this gives you that really nice, firm connection that you need for making extensometer measurements where that standpipe's going up the hole, or really any other type of geophysical measurement where you need a firm anchoring into a layer of only semi-consolidated or loose sediments. So that's the Borros anchor. You can pick them up on our website today, along with a full line of extensometry equipment. If you need help with your application, be sure to email us, as we would love to talk to you about what equipment suits your particular field situation. While you're here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for all of the new product announcements, deals, and free tutorials.